Hi Rachana, in this video you have the chance to stretch your brain by cracking this puzzle. There are two friends, one is a physics teacher like me and the other one is a mathematician. They met each other after so many years. Now you follow their conversation.
Where are you staying?
The same old house where we used to play.
Oh, very nice.
How many children do you have?
3.
What are their ages?
I don't tell you directly. As you are a mathematician, I will give you a clue from which you have to deduce their correct ages.
Okay, sure.
The clue is all the ages are in years only and their product is 36. Now you find their ages.
Can you please give me another clue?
Yeah, I understand your trouble. The second clue is sum of their ages is your house number. Now you find their ages.
These two clues are not enough. Can you please give me one more clue?
Yes, again I understand your trouble. The last clue is my youngest daughter has blue colored eyes. Now you tell me their correct ages. Yeah, correct answer. As usual, you are the best.
Thank you.
Welcome back. If you all follow their conversation carefully, then this is the actual puzzle made for you. Now you try. What are their ages? Listen to me carefully. I repeat their conversation. Mathematician asked, "How many children do you have?" Physics teacher said, 3. Mathematician asked, "What are their ages?" Physics teacher said, "I will give you a clue from which you have to deduce their correct ages." The clue is all the ages are in years only and their product is 36. Now you find their ages. Mathematician was doing something on paper, and in a little while he requested that this clue is not sufficient. Can you please give me another clue? Then physics teacher said, "Yeah, I understand your trouble. The second clue is sum of their ages is your house number. Now you find their ages." Mathematician was again doing on paper, and in a little while he again requested that these two clues are not sufficient. Can you please give me one more clue? Then physics teacher said, "Yeah, I again understand your trouble. This is my last clue. My youngest daughter has blue color eyes. Now you tell me their correct ages." Finally, mathematician could tell their correct ages immediately. So, my question to you all is very obvious. What are their ages? Okay, two guys, Vaishali and Surya are also here to crack this puzzle. Could you get it?
What is the house number of mathematician, sir?
In fact, that is my second question. What is his house number? You don't know, but he knows. That is enough for you to solve this puzzle.
149.
Why?
1 year baby may have the blue eyes.
Is it? Then it can be 1312 or 1218 also. Anyway, your answer is wrong. Any age group can have blue eyes.
236.
What is your explanation?
It is just a fluke.
You are here to learn, not to test your luck. You can't be silly when you are dedicated. You can't be dedicated when you are silly. Silliness and dedication do not coexist. The great mathematician himself has done some work on paper, but you are not sincerely doing anything on paper. Think. If you are in the place of mathematician and analyze their conversation, then you will surely get it.
Sir, I got it, sir.
Correct answer. Excellent job is done by this girl.
Thank you, sir.
Now you all look here for solution. The first clue is Product of three ages is 36. Let us list out all the possible combinations. 1, 1, 36, 1, 2, 18, 1, 3, 12, 1, 6, 6, 2, 3, 6, 1, 4, 9, 2, 2, 9, 3, 3, 4. Mathematician is not a silly guy like many of us to take a chance between these 8 possibilities, and so he asked for another clue. The second clue is sum of their ages is his house number, and then mathematician adds these numbers in each combination so that he can tally the result with his house number. Let us do the same. Adding these numbers will give you 38, and adding these numbers is 21, and here it is 16, here it is 13, here 11, here 14, here 13, here it is 10. Except 13, the other numbers are not repeated. Suppose if his house number is 16, then he would have chosen this possibility, or if his house number is 10, he would have chosen this possibility without asking for third clue. That is, his house number must be 13. And so he got a tie break between these two possibilities, 166 and 229. That is why he asked for third clue sincerely without taking any chance between these two possibilities. That's what his dedication. The third clue is youngest daughter has blue eyes. You should not be trapped with unnecessary biological sense of this clue. You should take logical sense only. Youngest means only one. Like this, 166, not like this 229. Here two children have same age, 2 year and 2 year. Then we cannot say youngest. So their correct ages are 1 year, 6 year and 6 year. This is the final answer for this puzzle. So it is done. The same approach is followed by this girl also, who is a student of 10th class. I consider this puzzle is a mind-bending little beauty for you. You can understand how does this riddle test your overall skills. Note that physics teacher didn't give all 3 clues at a time. He gave them one by one on the request of mathematician. As such, he did not mention this is my first clue. If so, mathematician immediately would have asked for all the remaining clues at a time. This is what the beauty of this puzzle. So you should be good at comprehensive skills to catch this beauty. While writing for all the combinations with the product 36, your subject is getting tested. When you are told about house number of mathematician, you should not quit the puzzle as you don't know his house number. Here your analyzing skills are getting tested. When you are told about blue eyes of youngest daughter, your logical sense is getting tested, not your biological sense. This is what the beauty of this puzzle. Okay? Come here, Vaishali. If you look at the paperwork of this girl, then we have to salute her mind. Do you know the fact that the qualifying percentage of girls in IIT JEE is below 20% and of boys is above 80%? This is not good for social enrollment in IITs. So we should encourage the girls. Okay? See you again.